In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, we often think of AI as a single digital assistant. But what if you could have an entire team of specialized agents at your fingertips? Claude has fundamentally changed. It's no longer just a chat interface. It's a sophisticated stack of tools designed to handle every facet of modern work, from deep strategic thinking to complex technical execution. Today, we're spending the next 11 minutes breaking down exactly how to wield this power. We'll cover the 5 core activities: think, remember, execute, build, and browse, plus the secret to elite output. And most importantly, I'll reveal the Prime Framework, a systematic approach that ensures you get world-class results from your AI team every single time you hit enter. Part 1. Think. This is the foundation. While most start with a simple chat, Think is about using Claude as a partner for high-level strategy and creative problem-solving. Think is where you bring your most ambiguous challenges, the fuzzy ideas that haven't quite formed, the rough drafts, and the strategic hurdles that don't have a clear roadmap. When you use Claude Chat, you aren't just giving a command, you're entering into a recursive loop of collaboration. It's a thinking partner that helps you sharpen your insights and logic. And now, with artifacts, Claude can visualize your thinking in real time. Whether it's a piece of code, a website mockup, or a detailed report, you can see your ideas come to life side by side. This allows you to iterate faster. You can edit the output directly, request changes, and see the version history of your work, making the think phase more productive than ever before. The key here is iterative logic. Don't expect perfection on turn 1. Use Claude to stress test your plans, challenge your biases, and find the why that drives your success. Part 2. Remember, traditional AI is forgetful, losing your context the moment a thread ends. Claude Projects is the solution to that fragmentation of knowledge. Projects allow you to build a permanent knowledge base. Upload your brand voice, past successful campaigns, and technical docs once, and Claude will use them as a foundation forever. This means you never have to repeat yourself. Whether you're starting a new marketing push or a technical build, your AI team already knows your history, your tone, and your goals. For teams, this is a game changer. You can share projects across your entire organization, ensuring everyone is working with the same context and the same source of truth. You can even set project-specific instructions. Tell Claude to always prioritize brevity for one project and to be highly descriptive for another. It's personalized AI at scale. By using Remember, you're building a cumulative advantage. Your AI team gets more aligned with your unique business needs every single day. Part 3. Execute. Thinking and remembering are vital, but success ultimately comes down to getting the work done. This is where Claude Cowork takes the lead. Cowork isn't just a chatbot, it's a doer. It's a desktop-level application that performs multi-step tasks, crunches massive data sets, and manages your local files with ease. Because it lives in your local environment, it bridges the gap between AI conversation and actual production. It's the operative member of your agent team. Imagine feeding Claude 100 customer transcripts and telling it to find the top pain points and create a summary deck. Cowork handles the manual labor while you focus on high-level strategy. Execution is about throughput. With Cowork, you're not just discussing work, you're finishing it. It's your agent for high-volume, high-value operations. Part 4. Build. Many believe building software or data tools is strictly for engineers, but with Claude Code, the technical barrier has been completely removed. Claude Code lets you build complex custom tools using natural language. You describe the problem, and Claude writes, tests, and runs the code for you in your local environment. This is the democratization of technology. You don't need a CS degree to create custom solutions. You just need to be clear about the tool you need to stay ahead. For advanced users, Claude's API allows you to integrate this intelligence into your own apps and services, building unique experiences for your customers and team. By using the API, you can create automated systems that think and act independently. From custom content engines to intelligent data pipelines, the possibilities are virtually limitless. Build turns you into an inventor. It gives you the power to create the digital infrastructure you need without waiting for a development cycle. Part 5. Browse. Modern work is web-centric. Claude Chrome ensures your AI team isn't trapped in a silo. It lives where you work, on the internet. The extension allows Claude to see what you're seeing. Whether you're researching a market trend, reading a long report, or filling out a form, Claude is there to help. This real-time integration eliminates the need for context switching. You can ask questions about the current page and get instant, context-aware answers without leaving the tab. It's a powerhouse for research. Claude can summarize multiple sources, verify facts against live data, and find the signal in the noise of the internet. Browse is the final piece of the agent puzzle, ensuring your team is always connected to the world's information in real time. Now, let's learn how to lead them. Even with the best team, leadership matters. That's where the Prime Framework comes in. Over the next few minutes, we're going to master every single step. P is for purpose. Most people are too vague. To get elite output, you must define the exact mission. What does success look like for this specific task? Instead of write a report, say, write a 3-page strategic report for our Q1 budget review. Clarity of purpose is the catalyst for elite AI results. R is for research. Your AI team can't read your mind. They can only read your data. Never let Claude guess. Provide the context, files, and background upfront. If you're asking for a plan, upload your relevant spreadsheets and notes. The more research you provide, the more grounded and accurate the final work will be. I is for interview. This is the expert move. Tell Claude, interview me before you respond. This forces the AI to find the gaps in its own knowledge. When Claude interviews you, it uncovers the nuances you might have missed. This ensures the output isn't just generic, it's tailored precisely to your needs. M is for mechanics. Don't just ask for text. Define the architecture. Do you need a 10-slide deck, a markdown table, or a series of formatted Slack messages? Define the length, tone, and formatting. By mastering mechanics, you ensure the work is production-ready the moment it's delivered. And finally, E is for examples. This is the shortcut to quality. If you want Claude to mimic your voice, show it something you've already written and liked. Examples serve as a style guide, eliminating guesswork. They provide a concrete pattern for the AI to follow, ensuring the work feels authentic to your vision. Purpose, research, interview, mechanics, and examples. Master these 5, and you master the AI team. But let's look at the bigger picture for your career. We are in the middle of a historic shift. The gap between those who use AI as a toy and those who wield it as a team is growing. This is about more than just speed. With Claude as your team, you can be a better strategist, a faster researcher, and a more effective builder. You can take on challenges that were previously out of reach. And you can do it with confidence. Claude is built with enterprise-grade security and privacy, ensuring your most sensitive business data remains protected. For larger organizations, Claude meets the highest standards of data governance and compliance. Your intellectual property is never used to train the underlying models without your consent. But with power comes responsibility. Wielding AI ethically means being transparent about its use and ensuring human oversight remains the final word in every critical decision. Here's my challenge to you. For the next 30 days, pick one of these activities. Think, remember, execute, build, or browse, and push it to the limit every single day. Document how your output changes. Watch how your capacity expands. You aren't just saving time, you're transforming your professional identity into something new. As AI agents continue to evolve, the distinction between human work and digital support will blur. Those who lead these teams now will be the architects of tomorrow's economy. The future isn't about human versus machine. It's about human plus machine. Claude is ready to be your team. The only thing missing now is your leadership. The tools are in place. The framework is clear. Your edge is waiting. Start building your AI team today and see what you're truly capable of. Thank you for spending these 11 minutes with me. It's time to stop just using AI and start wielding it. Go out there and build something incredible. I'll see you in the next one. Don't wait for the future to happen to you. Visit heygen.com to start building your own AI-powered team and unlock your full potential today. This video was created with the HeyGen AI Video Agent. Start your journey at heygen.com.